Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of eco-chic decor by transforming waste wood into stunning home art profitable crafts. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Discarded timber, often overlooked and left to weather away in forgotten corners of workshops, construction sites, and old backyards, has quietly become one of the most powerful creative resources of the modern era. A material that transforms effortlessly from waste into eco-chic decor while offering limitless possibilities for artistry, sustainability, and income generation. In a world where homeowners desire interiors that feel grounded, meaningful, and environmentally responsible, discarded wood steps forward as both a design solution and a business opportunity. What was once considered debris now holds the potential to reimagine the way we decorate, furnish, and experience our living spaces. By giving discarded timber a second life, creators not only reduce waste, but also craft home decor pieces infused with soul, texture, and an undeniable sense of authenticity. This merging of creativity and conscience taps directly into the rising demand for natural, repurposed materials within modern interior design. Today's homeowners crave more than polished perfection, they crave stories. They want pieces that reflect history, craftsmanship, and the beauty of imperfection. Discarded timber delivers exactly that, making it a cherished material for high-value home decor that feels both modern and timeless. In the realm of interior design, reclaimed and repurposed, wood has become a signature component of the eco-chic aesthetic, an emerging trend that merges rustic texture with contemporary sophistication. By transforming discarded timber into wall art, floating shelves, sleek coffee tables, candle holders, planter boxes, and decorative accents, creators bring nature indoors in a way that feels deliberate and refreshing. The grain patterns etched by time, the knots that once marked the tree's growth, the weathered hues softened by exposure to the elements, each detail becomes a design language of its own. These natural features turn every creation into a one-of-a-kind piece that no factory line could replicate. In modern homes dominated by glass, steel, and neutral color palettes, these timber pieces add warmth and depth. They soften minimalistic spaces, elevate contemporary living rooms, and enhance Scandinavian-inspired decor with their grounding organic presence. Discarded timber holds the rare power to make homes feel curated rather than manufactured, personalized rather than mass-produced. From luxurious eco-friendly statement pieces to small yet meaningful accents, discarded wood introduces an element of soul that enriches every space it touches. But the beauty of working with discarded wood goes beyond aesthetics. It becomes an accessible, cost-effective path for aspiring creators to step into the woodworking world. Unlike traditional woodworking materials that can be expensive or intimidating for beginners, discarded timber is affordable, often free, and remarkably forgiving. It invites experimentation without fear of waste. A simple piece of pallet wood or old furniture leg can become a decor item that delights buyers and fits seamlessly into modern interior trends. This low-cost entry point makes discarded timber an ideal starting material for individuals seeking to turn creativity into income. The beauty of this approach is that the value of the final product lies not in how expensive the raw material was, but in the craftsmanship, design, and story you bring to it. What begins as a rescued scrap can evolve into a profitable product when shaped with intention and care. This accessibility empowers beginners to start crafting immediately, no advanced tools, expensive machinery, or elaborate workshop setups required. A passion for design, basic tools, and a willingness to explore new ideas are often enough to transform discarded wood into decor pieces that attract buyers. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. In the current era, consumers are increasingly drawn to handcrafted decor because it represents individuality, sustainability, and meaningful artistry. Unlike mass-produced factory items, handcrafted pieces made from reclaimed timber tell a compelling story. They embody the spirit of renewal, sustainability, and artistic reinvention. Buyers appreciate knowing that their decor contributes to environmental consciousness and supports small creative businesses. This shift in consumer behavior has opened the door to an expanding market for creators who work with repurposed wood. Whether selling through online platforms, local artisan markets, social media pages, or home decor boutiques, makers of eco-chic timber decor are tapping into a community of modern buyers who value originality and ethical craftsmanship. This cultural movement allows even beginners to find an audience that genuinely appreciates the uniqueness of each piece, creating a strong foundation for building a profitable woodworking brand. Turning discarded timber into eco-chic decor is not just about making aesthetically pleasing pieces. It's about shaping an identity, both for the home and the business behind the craft. Each creation showcases the artist's personal style, creativity, and vision while simultaneously communicating a commitment to sustainability. As artisans experiment with textures, finishes, and color tones, they discover the pleasure of crafting pieces that reflect their personality. For some, this means keeping the natural weathered look intact. For others, it means refining the timber into sleek, modern forms. This ability to express individuality while working with a material that encourages creative freedom becomes deeply rewarding. It nurtures a sense of pride in the finished work and for many becomes the driving force behind launching their woodworking business. The emotional connection artisans feel toward their craft translates into products that resonate with customers who seek more than mere decoration. They seek art that feels real, personal, and grounded in nature. The business potential of working with discarded timber expands further when one considers the flexibility of product designs. Because discarded wood comes in diverse shapes, textures, and sizes, each piece pushes creators to explore new ideas. A short offcut can become a minimalist decor block, a long board can evolve into a wall-mounted shelf, and a weathered plank can transform into rustic wall art that becomes the focal point of a room. This adaptability allows creators to develop a varied product line from minimal materials, maximizing profit while maintaining sustainability. For small business owners, this is incredibly valuable. It means being able to experiment with new ideas without financial risk and continually offering customers fresh, exciting designs. Over time, these unique creations build brand identity and customer loyalty, key components of long-term success. Another advantage to using discarded timber as the foundation of a woodworking business is the connection it builds between the creator and the community. Many people are emotionally drawn to the concept of giving new purpose to something old or forgotten. When customers learn that a piece of decor once existed as flooring in a historic home, as a barn plank, or as dismantled furniture, the piece gains emotional depth. This narrative becomes part of the allure, increasing its perceived value and creating a personal bond between artisan and buyer. These stories elevate the piece from mere merchandise to meaningful art. They allow creators to stand out in a competitive market by offering products that carry sentiment, history, and authenticity, qualities that modern homeowners deeply admire. As you transform discarded timber into eco-chic decor, you also step into a broader movement towards sustainable living. Every upcycled piece helps reduce waste, limits the need for new lumber, and supports a global shift toward environmentally responsible consumption. Today's consumers value eco-friendly practices and seek decor that aligns with their ethical values. This societal shift toward sustainability significantly boosts the marketability of reclaimed wood decor, enabling creators to position their businesses as both artistic and environmentally conscious. As the world becomes more aware of ecological issues, the demand for products that combine beauty, sustainability, and craftsmanship will continue to grow, creating even more opportunities for those skilled in transforming discarded timber. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked eco-chic decor by transforming waste wood into stunning home art profitable crafts. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.